Show you how to posterize your image for the Selfies project using Photoshop. And on my computer, I've got it here. Here's the icon. If you have it on your laptop or have access to it, great. If not, you can use one of the computer labs here at school. But the first thing I'm going to do is click on Photoshop, and I'm going to open the image that I have already emailed to myself and downloaded. And let me find it right quick. 9412. There it is. This is the image that we're going to use. And one of the things you got to think about is that this image is wider than the actual paper we're going to be using. So the paper that we're going to be using is 20 inches by 16 inches. This image is wider than 16 inches, way wider, way wider than 20 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop it using this rectangle tool. And I'm going to go in here and kind of eyeball it, and I'm going to kind of go backwards here. And just kind of crop down on it some. I can move this around if I want, but I'm going to keep it kind of locked in top and bottom. That looks pretty good. Image, crop. Now, of course, you can also do this on your phone, crop it first, then email it. And that can be an easier process for some folks. Now what I want to do is say image, mode, grayscale. Click grayscale. It's going to ask me, do I want to get rid of the color information? Yes, discard. And now it's just like your phone. You can change this in black to black and white. But the biggest thing, and here's why we do this, is I want to posterize it. Image, adjustments, posterize. And right now it's only got 4 levels, and if this is in a way, you can move it by clicking on this light gray part here. What I want to do is put it at about 10, and let's see what happens. I can slide the slider up, and notice that it's kind of creating the shapes for me. And what I have to do here is make a judgment on what's too simple and what's too complex. So 10 might be the highest I want to go, but let's see what happens if I highlight this and put in 7. 7 doesn't change that much. But look around at the image and see if the shapes are interesting to you. Let's try it on 8. Notice how it changes a little bit. Let's try it on 9. And for me, I think 9 is probably the strongest right now. And that's a judgment call. If yours is 8, if yours is 7, if yours is 10, that's fine. But I think in this case, 9 is the safe number. And all I want to do is press OK. And now what I'm going to do is say File, Save As. Let's do this. Save it as a JPEG. I want to save it to a place where I can easily find it. In my case, I'm going to save it to my documents. You can save it wherever you want to as long as you can find it. I'm going to press OK. And that's it. And what I want to do now is I want to print this image. If I'm going to transfer it using the tracing paper method, then I'm going to take it to Office or GoPrint Plus and print it, 20 by 16 or as large as I can get it. If I'm going to project it, I want to print it no larger than 8 by 6 or 5 by 7. So think about what we talked about in class today. If you have any questions, email me, and I'm glad to help you out any way I can. But this is going to be the source material, the reference point for the Selfies project. Thanks.